In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Trello board users and permissions, a crucial skill for streamlining your team's collaboration and improving productivity. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just getting started, managing permissions effectively ensures that the right people have the appropriate access to your boards, which can make all the difference in achieving your project goals efficiently. To get started, navigate to your Trello board. We'll be using the general virtual assistant board, but you can select the relevant board for your project. You can do this by simply logging into Trello and selecting your board from the dashboard. Once you've accessed your board, focus on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and this will bring up a window where you can manage user permissions for your board. Sharing your board with other team members is a central feature that enables collaborative work, and this is where you control who can do what. Next, look for the Admin tab within the Share window. Clicking on it enables you to fine-tune user settings, giving you the ability to manage members' roles. This is crucial for maintaining control over what's being changed and by whom on your boards to prevent unauthorized or accidental alterations. As you proceed, you'll see an option to create a unique link. Click on Create a Link to generate an invite link for new members. This link enables you to easily invite collaborators to your board without having to manually add each person via email. Once the link is created, make sure to click on Copy Link. This will copy the generated link to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted into an email, a direct message, or any other communication method you prefer. If you decide to add members using their email address, simply enter the address into the provided field. This allows you to invite people directly, and for those who haven't logged in recently, reminders can be set up to prompt them to engage with the boards. An important aspect of user management is the Change Permissions feature. By clicking on this, you can define the level of access new users have. Select the Can Join as Member option to provide standard access, enabling the invitees to collaborate on the board while still keeping administrative controls restricted to yourself or designated admins. Finally, revisit the Share section and explore the Change Visibility option. This allows you to control who can see your board. You can set the visibility to workspace, which limits the board's visibility to your specific team workspace, ensuring sensitive information remains secure from outsiders. With these steps, you now have the essential tools and knowledge to manage your Trello board users and permissions. Implementing these strategies will help maintain order, security, and efficiency in your collaborative efforts. Happy organizing, and may your Trello boards always stay tidy and effective.